folks, I have a beautiful Alto ukulele to show you today. This is number 735. The top is some Western Red Cedar that I got from luthier Jason Bowerman. He pulled this off of a mountain by Bend, Oregon, and it's some of my favorite sounding cedar. Some curly walnut. I believe that these scraps for the curly walnut are from Gobi Walnut in Portland. And then a salvage cypress neck and pistachio fretboard headplate and bridge with maple binding and my little bird's foot purfling. Pretty fancy. And a little nice thinner, slimmer neck for this customer. Still feels good in my adult hand, but I'm happy to accommodate folks when they have a request like that. Also, this customer needed some larger side dots, and they asked for less side dots than normal, and that's fine. I think it makes for this overall makes for a good instrument that really fits my style, and I'm really proud of it. So 735. Cheers.